This is the Peregrine rocket, and it's a high power rocket with dual deployment capability. It's 4 inches in diameter, and as you can see, it's pretty long. It takes high power motors, so in the back we have a 38 millimeter motor mount. You're going to fly it on H's, I's, and J's. It's got a plastic nose cone. Up in front we have a big, brand new to Apogee components, a big 48-inch diameter nylon parachute. It's printed. There's also a nylon shock cord that's fluorescent orange, which makes it easier to find your rocket when it lands on the other side of a tree and it's draped over the top. Like, you never have this happen. I have all the time. That's why I did them orange. In the back we have a 18-inch nylon parachute. And what else? Oh, this rocket has a lot of decals, as you can see. There's 2 decal sheets. There's a white one, which is multicolored, and then we have these silver ones for the fins. That's highly reflective, and it makes this really nice shine on the bottom. So let's put this together. You can see it's pretty tall. It's almost as tall as I am. And you'll find it here at Apogee Components. Our web address is www.apogeerockets.com. This is actually the sister rocket to our first high power kit, which was the Zephyr. And this is what the Zephyr looks like. If you're going for level 1, get a Zephyr. If you want to try dual deployment, get a Peregrine. When you build the rocket, the instructions are massive. It's a 10-page, highly illustrated manual. But if you want to build it and watch videos, we have videos available for the Zephyr, because the whole back end of the rocket is very much similar to the Zephyr, except for the fin shapes are a little bit different. But everything inside is the same, so that's why you're going to watch the Zephyr videos when you're building the Peregrine. We also have videos on building the eBay, and I think you'll enjoy those too. So this is the Peregrine. You'll get it at Apogee Components. Our web address is www.apogeerockets.com.